Here are some motivations before your sleep. 1. Turn off screens. Moral: by stepping away from screens before sleep, you promote mental relaxation and prepare your mind for peaceful sleep. 2. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Moral: designing a calm, dark, and comfortable space in your bedroom promotes quality sleep and helps you wake up refreshed. 3. Practice evening gratitude. Moral: taking a few moments to express gratitude for the positive moments of the day enhances your emotional well-being and prepares your mind for peaceful sleep. 4. Use relaxation techniques. Moral: techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or visualization help you deeply relax before falling asleep. 5. Read a soothing book. Moral: reading a relaxing or inspiring book before sleep soothes the mind, reduces stress, and prepares your mind for restful sleep. 6. Mentally prepare for a positive day. Moral: by visualizing an upcoming day filled with happiness, success, and opportunities, you wake up with a positive and motivated attitude. 7. Practice evening self-care. Moral: taking care of yourself before sleep, whether it's taking a relaxing bath, applying facial treatments, or practicing gentle stretches, helps you relax and feel good about yourself. 8. Listen to soothing sounds. Moral: natural sounds like rain, ocean waves, or bird songs create a tranquil ambience that facilitates falling asleep and promotes deep sleep. 9. Give yourself time for you. Moral: taking time for yourself every evening allows you to reconnect with your needs, cherish yourself, and prepare for a restful night's sleep. 10. Practice evening gratitude. Moral: taking a few moments to express gratitude for the positive moments of the day enhances your emotional well-being and prepares your mind for peaceful sleep. 11. Release tensions. Moral: by releasing accumulated bodily tensions, you promote deep relaxation and peaceful sleep, allowing you to wake up refreshed and ready to face a new day.